Hi, I'm Brian Godfrey. Today I want to show you how to use Facebook to post an event. Now, this video was made specifically for a group called Court Watchers of Utah. This is a group where if you've got a court case that's coming up and you want it to be recorded, you want somebody to request an electronic media coverage of your particular court case or your hearing, then you can go to Court Watchers of Utah and make an event, and people can request to film it. Utah Family Law TV is one of the main organizations that does that for different court cases, and a lot of times it's family law. There's also Utah Justice TV, which can sometimes film a criminal case. So these are two different entities that will put in a media request for you. So I've got Facebook open here. I'm in Facebook, and I'm going to go to, I already know the URL just to get there, so I'll just type it rather than try to search for it. It's right there. We watch Court Watchers of Utah. I made the screen a little bigger so you can see Facebook a little better. And if we were going to make an event, I don't have an actual court case. I could just go to the public court calendar and just randomly select somebody. When you're doing electronic media requests, it needs to be submitted 2 days prior to the actual hearing. So, of course, website takes a long time to get to lately. I don't know why. Added security or what, but I might have to pause here for a minute. And when we can pull up the calendar, I'll just randomly select somebody by a certain keyword. Okay, so the site is loaded, and we're going to go back to Court Watchers of Utah here. That was loaded. And I guess I closed it out. Hang on a second. Gotta love that. There we go. So I'm just going to pick District Court Calendar, somebody off of the domestic court calendar. Let's go to Salt Lake City, 3rd District. It's going to give me the calendar here in a PDF. It loads the PDF. Then I'm going to do Control F on my keyboard and search for like a protective order. And you'll see that it's December 16th. These are the ones that were for today. I'm going to just keep hitting the arrow until I get to something that's a couple of days from now. So something on the 18th. There's one on the 21st. So let's say one of these people wanted to have their court case covered. And let's say one of these people, Eric or Darlene here, was in Court Watchers. You could go to Court Watchers and create an event with this information. So, you know, where it's at, which courthouse, what time, who the commissioner or the judge is, and the date is obviously important. Case name, case number is also very important. There's the case number. Case name is DeHaven versus DeHaven, 9 o'clock. And it's Commissioner Michelle Blomquist, 3rd District Court, Salt Lake City, December 21st on Monday, 9 a.m. So, come over here, go to the events, create an event, and I'm going to delete this right after I make it, so hopefully nobody tries to go to this event. So, DeHaven versus DeHaven, and that's Matheson Courthouse, right there. Date and time, the 21st. It was at 9 a.m. Using the down arrows on my keyboard there to change that. Mountain Standard Time. End time, I have no idea. They usually don't go very long. I'm going to remove that because I have no idea how long it's going to go. This is an example for my video on how to set an event. Now, one of the things that makes an event really stick out if you really want people to come support you in the courtroom is to put a picture. Now, I have no idea what these people look like because I literally just picked them at random, but let's just grab a picture of, I don't know, some handcuffs or something, protective order, I don't know. I don't know what random image we could pull. from Google that wouldn't be copyrighted. There's this big hand with a stop sign in the middle of it. Protective orders, clip art, free. See if I can find something that looks decent to get somebody's attention. Just make it nice to look at, really, is all you're looking for. There's a bunch that say restraining order. I'm just going to get a pair of handcuffs or something, because this is kind of ridiculous. Can't find anything that I need here. And I want to get as nice of a clip art as you can. I'm on my other monitor here, if you're wondering what I'm looking at. There's a really nice set of handcuffs. It says it's free clip art. They've got the key in it, though, so I'm just going to download it, and then I'll use that as the background. So add event photo. Go to the desktop. Of course, I'm not finding the file that I just downloaded. Let me try that again. It's because I saved it to downloads instead of to the desktop. Okay, there we go. Put that as the background. So we've got the time, we've got the location. It's also really important to include the case number if you want it requested. And we copy the case number from the calendar. And we're going to go ahead and put Monday, December 21st at 9 a.m. Please come support me in this hearing. So I'm going to say create, and it will automatically invite all of the members of Court Watchers of Utah when you create it. Anybody can make an event. You can also add other people as hosts once it's made. So I'm going to create the event. And then I'm going to go ahead and go back to the main part of the group. Click on Court Watchers of Utah here. And I'll go ahead and delete it so that nobody thinks it's a real event. But that is how you make an event for Court Watchers of Utah. So anybody can do that, and then the people in there can either request to record, the people for Utah Family Law TV or Utah Justice TV, and then the people in the group that want to support you will know about it, know where to go, know what time, and they can come support you. So that's what the group was created for. Thanks for watching this video, and now you know how to make an event on Facebook.